Hi friends, this video is a tutorial on how to do feeding braids on yourself. Now, I know self-braiding is hard, so this video should give you helpful tips on how to achieve great results. First, if you look at the video, you would notice that I have one row of single braids at the back. So that is helpful to reduce tension. If you usually get tension when you braid cornrows, this is a helpful way to reduce tension. I pre-parted the hair to make sure that I have equal section. This is really helpful because it makes your braids look even. Now, you can use any braiding gel of your choice, which whatever works for you. But with this hair, I used Cantu braiding gel. When you're ready to braid, comb out the hair, comb it out thoroughly, and apply the gel to the section that you are about to braid. Apply some of the gel in between the hair and then clean up the part as needed. So now, I know you're not gonna get a perfect hair if you're braiding on yourself, but we try to make it look as good as possible. So putting in the gel and cleaning up the parts will help with that. And before I forget, you need at least 2 mirrors to be able to braid on yourself. You need to be able to see your back. So the one in the mirror, the one in front would help you see your back. The reflections would help you. So please get at least 2 mirrors. If you have 3 or more, that's fine, but at least 2 is great. Okay. As you can see, I to clean up the part, you have to loosen up 2 of the braids that you've already sectioned. So your pre-sectioned parts, you have to lose the one that you're about to braid and the one closest so that you can be able to like clean out the part, because that's the only way you can do it anyways, guys. Okay, so after cleaning up the part, you'd secure the other side so that they don't come in contact with the braids. So as you can see, I am cleaning up the part, but it's really hard. And you don't have to use that side of the comb. It's easier when you use the tail part, the metal part of the comb. And also try to keep your hand straight while cleaning up the parts. It's really helpful. Okay, so after cleaning up your part and getting your section right, create a first row and divide it into 3 parts and braid at least 3 times before you start connecting your cornrows. If you don't know how to connect cornrows, use your index finger. As you braid, pick up small pieces of the hair while you braid to connect the cornrows. And when you're adding the hair to your braid, if you want to achieve a flat cornrow, start adding the hair at the middle part, the center part of your head to achieve your flat cornrow. However, if you want to achieve a cornrow that is like full and really large cornrows, you can start adding hair sooner. Okay, guys, so at this point, I don't know what to be saying again, but basically it's the same step I am repeating for every section of the braid. If you have any questions or anything that you feel like I left out, please leave a comment below and I would reply as soon as possible. And guys, to be honest with you, it doesn't take one practice to perfect your braiding. You will need to practice a lot if you want to be good at braiding for yourself or braiding your own hair. Even if braiding for other people, you still need to practice. Braiding once or twice will not help. Like, try different styles. Like, just be creative. If you're free, whenever you're free, try braiding your hair. Like, just try practicing. That's the only way you become good at it. It didn't take me just one time or two times or three times. It actually took a lot of practice for me to get better at it. And even at that, you can look at it, it's not perfect. Like, look at the back of the hair, it's not that perfect. So don't try to like don't be sad if you don't get it right, because it's hard. See, it takes real talent and hard work to be braiding your own hair. People may make it look easy, but it's not easy. And if you do it, then you're doing a great job. So keep up with it, guys, and practice. That's the only trick they don't tell you. Practice. And please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, thank you. And share the video. Thank you. So guys, I know that I am not good at doing this, like teaching and explaining things, but I hope that the little explanation I gave would help. And also, I feel like you can learn more just by looking at the video and watching how I am moving my fingers and adding the hair and everything. So I really hope that you find this helpful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would upload more videos on how to do self braiding and other braiding tips. Thank you so much.